Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a paid application form in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search it to Google, log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login you will find here a search bar. Just click and write paid adoption form and press enter. Now you'll find many forms, but you have to search one, the paid adoption form. So here's one, I think. See, a purple professional paid adoption form document. If you like this template, now if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. Here's your template, is ready to be customized. Now I'm going to show you how you can edit. So if you want to make it zoom, click on Ctrl plus up scroll, it will zoom like this. Then you'll find here forget animal shelter, but you can change the name if you want to. Like you can add your name here, add your company name or your shelter name, like pet here. Okay, so your contact information here, your first name. Double click on the box. If it doesn't blink the cursor, then you have to go here, text, add a heading if, and make it small with the mouse, then drag it here. Okay, like this. So you can now write, like, double click and you can write your name, any name you can add, that's up to you. Here's the last name you have got. You can write, you cannot write this, you're not allowed, so do this thing again, text this one, then just drag it here. Sorry, not this one, but this one. When you see your cursor is like this, then you can drag it. Okay, so just backspace and write your last name. So every box you have to do this. Go text, find the thing, then you can make it, elaborate it, and you can use it here. Write your address, like New York City, 42 Street. Anything you can add. If you think this is so big, you can make it small by going here minus, it will be decreased. Okay, so simple. Do the things like this, zip code and everything you can add like this. Just going text, add a thing, and you have to put it here like I showed you before. This here you can see what type of housing you are living in. If you think you are not good with this question, you want to make your own custom question, then you can just add here your question. Okay, so if you want to fill up this, just going apartment or house, but you cannot tick this with the pen or pencil without printing this. After printing this you can, but if you want to make it digitally, then you have to go where you have to go on elements, right here, tick, and you'll find many ticks. Just choose one, it will be in the middle, then you have to make it small with the mouse, then you can use it here like this. Okay, that's good. Now so do you want to make it property? If yes, then fill the landlord name, yes or no. If yes, then you can use this. Here's the landlord name by going here and use this, make this small with the mouse, use it here, double click and write the landlord name. Okay, so you can fill this form with your own information. So after completing this, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color of this form. So if you don't like this white background, you want to change it, just go in here, background color. You find many colors like blue, this one is purple, any color you can add. Okay, so I'm remaining this one is good, pinkish. How you can download it, just go in here, share, you can find download, click on download, and you find here file type, choose the file type and start downloading here. So you can send this work directly a mail to. How? Just go in share, you'll find collaboration link, just click on this and make it anyone with the link. And you have to write here, people with access, you can see here, you have to write here the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. Now if you click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make an adoption form or paid care form in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.